Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm literally dyeing my hair purple, but it's going to be with purple shampoo, so it's not going to be permanent. It should wash out in like a few weeks, but it worked, as you can see. I'm going to be filming like how I did it, the whole process. Yeah, if you want to see how I got my hair purple, just keep watching. I'm using purple shampoo because I watched a video about how if you leave it in there overnight, it dyes your hair like a really pretty lavender. So I'm mixing it with this, like with conditioner, and here's my mix. Yes, this is an old ice cream tub. Yes, it is clean. So this like it doesn't matter if it gets on your skin because it's not dye. It's just shampoo and conditioner. So it's like safe. So I was going to dye my hair brown. I was like, no. But it is true that I can't wait to see how it turns out. I was wanting to leave some of my platinum showing, but I don't know how to do that. I'm scared it will be like splotchy. So the purple shampoo I'm using is the Redken Color Blondage. I've had it unopened for so long because my hair is so short that it takes me forever to go through shampoo. Honestly, I've just needed something fun to do on my time. This will help it evenly distribute. Oh no. Okay guys, I put a shower cap over it and like bobby pinned it all down. And I'm just gonna leave it on until 11 or 12 tomorrow, we'll see. But I'm going to film after I rinse it out and after I blow dry it, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm kind of scared it's going to be too dark, but it's fine. It's temporary. Okay guys, it's 11 a.m. I'm about to rinse this out and then I'm going to blow dry it and I'll show you guys the final results. Okay guys, so that was a success. It worked. I'm really happy. It's like such a great color. It's like perfectly blended right here to my roots, and I'm like so happy with it. It's gonna be great just to have for a few weeks, like so fun. I don't think I'd want it like this all the time, but it's definitely worth doing it temporarily. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.